Hello, this is Michael Pine over at truDigital Signage. This tutorial is to show you how to use the anniversary templates that we have available. So this is what one of them looks like. Has some animation on here. You can definitely change the names and years on here. And here's another one. Congrats on your work anniversary. Has some animation, has some balloons. Kind of catches the eye more than just a static template might do. So I want to show you how to use these templates. So I'm going to jump into the truDigital platform. You'll notice I'm in the Manage Playlist tab. I've selected a playlist. Now I want to jump into the template library section, and you'll notice Anniversary 1 and Anniversary 2. So if I want to use Anniversary 1, I simply click on it and click Install. That's going to bring it into the My Templates area, so I can start working on it. I will click on Anniversary 1 and click Edit. And you'll see a preview of what it looks like. And then I can come up here to Edit Template, and I'll get these red boxes, and I can simply click on any one of the boxes to make a change. So let's throw someone in here. Let's say Dwayne Johnson, because why not? And click Save, and then you can change the number of years. Let's say 5 years. And then you can also change the years into months or whatever you'd like. And then go ahead and click Save Changes when you're done. You get a preview of what it looks like. And then go ahead and click Back. And then edit your live playlist. Drag and drop your anniversary template into your live playlist. Click Save. And you're done. That's all you need to do to get your anniversary template up and running. So feel free to check them both out, see which one you like better, see what works best for you. We definitely hope your employees enjoy it and help them make them feel appreciated. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.